pattern here. We have just come across with this media release saying that the time for the exam has been reduced from 3 hours to 2 hours. We're not expecting any change in the pattern. The overall pattern will remain the same as such. So that will not change much. So we are still expecting that the 2 hours paper, the 3 hours paper will be crunched to 2 hours paper. The number of questions may reduce. So there could be 24 questions in each section possibly. So the verbal section could be 18 questions of RC and 6 questions of verbal ability. So more or less the same pattern. The con section could be still be 24 cons of question and it will be based on logic based questions. And DILR will be more logic based with maybe 6 sets of 4 questions each. That is the expected paper pattern and that's most likely will remain the same because that's what happened in the IPM indoor examination. Where they reduce the time, the pattern remained the same, and number of questions were reduced. That's the idea. Because CAT has a particular way of testing people and that will not change. So in verbal they focus more on reading and that will remain. It will not change as such. Anyway, we'll wait for September 20 when they come up with more clarification. This particular video is to find out whom will this change affect the most. First, I think it will affect the most in terms of people who are working or maybe people who are in college, who have college activities as well as they have to study for CAT. Because initially people who are working, they would find it difficult to find a 3-hour slot to write a mock or enough time to prepare. With the time reduction, you can easily fit in 2 hours on a weekday to write a mock, much easier as compared to a 3-hour slot. Again, the time required to write a mock and analysis is reduced, giving more time for preparation. So working people who are already short of time, this could be a blessing in disguise because now they can plan their preparation much better because they'll get more time to prepare and that should help them to a lot of extent. More time to prepare in a sense, mock 2 hours, so you save 1 hour of your mock time for preparation and analysis also will save around 1 or 2 hours for your preparation. So that definitely helps. Okay, that's the one group of people will definitely help who are already busy with some activity, either work or college, and they're planning their CAT preparation. Second, I think will help those who are little weak in mathematics. How will it help? Because in an earlier pattern, you come to a mathematics section only after 2 hours of writing the paper. The verbal section, which is reading heavy, the DILR section, which anyway takes away your brain, and then you come to a math section with already tired mind, and you're expected to do a section which you're not really interested in. So it's not very easy for people who are really weak in maths. So for them, it is easier now because now you're coming into the section after 80 minutes, the con section. So it'll be easier for you to pick up easy questions and solve because you'll be less tired in your mind and that will help you to think much better. Okay? So I feel it's a little better for people who are in mathematics because they'll be less tired during the math section and therefore they will be able to hopefully perform better. For people who are strong in mathematics, I don't think after 2 hours math should be a difficulty because they would anyway be able to solve it because they're interested. Because the moment you're interested in a particular topic, you tend to do better in that area when you're solving it. But yes, it's a blessing in disguise for people who are weak in mathematics. Third, it is sort of also for people who are weak in verbal. Because initially reading for 1 hour verbal RCs was not easy. You read for 1 hour, you automatically get tired and your comprehension goes down, specifically if you're not very keen on the verbal section or reading part of it. So for them also, sustaining for 40 minutes reading with full concentration is much easier than sustaining for 1 hour with reading for full concentration. So to some extent for people who are weak in verbal also, it somewhere helps them to focus. So these are 3 areas of people who might feel it will benefit. The working people or the people in college who are preparing along with activities. Second is for people who are weak in maths, definitely, and could be for people who are weak in verbal. Either way, it benefits a lot of people and that should help you with regards to preparation. So 2 hours, maybe it's a good change for you all. Think in a positive way and I think you should go ahead with your preparation plan accordingly and go. Hope that helps. Thank you.